Tools needed for this install is a 1/4-inch screwdriver or ratchet, 10mm socket, and a panel popper. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a headlight installation video on a 2014 to 20 Toyota 4Runner. So let's get started. First step, we're gonna remove 13 plastic push pins. So using your panel popper, you're gonna press down on the center and pry off the plastic clip. After removing the clips, go ahead and remove your radiator shroud. Next step, using your panel popper, we're gonna remove 6 plastic push pins. We have 2 on top and 4 on the bottom. And after that, go ahead and remove one 10mm bolt, securing the top of the grill. Moving to the passenger side wheel well, go ahead and remove 3 10mm bolts securing the side of the bumper. After removing the 3 bolts, you're gonna apply masking tape here to prevent any scratches. And after that, you're gonna grab the bumper here, lift up, and you're gonna peel it up. Now we're gonna do the same to the opposite side. So now that we have the sides of the bumper and the top of the bumper free, we're gonna carefully pull it forward. Next step, we're gonna remove 4 10mm bolts securing the headlight. We have 1 on the side, 2 on top, and 1 on the inner. To get to this bolt, go ahead and lift up on this weather strip. And then your last one on the side. After removing the 4 bolts, go ahead and lift up on this flap and carefully lift up on your headlight and unseat it. So the headlight consists of 4 plugs. Go ahead and unplug all 4 of them. So unplug your turn signal, press on the tab, unplug your side marker, unplug your high beam, and unplug your low beam. Go ahead and bring over your Spyder headlight. Go ahead and plug in your high beam and low beam. Make sure it clicks and it's secure. Make sure the negative wire matches up with the negative wire on all 4 plugs. Plug in your side marker and your turn signal. From here, go ahead and set your wires aside. Tuck them away. Lift up on the flap. Carefully seat your headlight in place. Make sure your holes line up. Next, reinstall your 4 10mm bolts securing your headlight. Now that we're finished installing the passenger side headlight, let's repeat the same process to the driver's side. After installing your headlights, go ahead and seat your bumper back into place. Next, reinstall your 3 10mm bolts on the side of the bumper. Now let's do the same to the other side. Next, moving to the top of the grill, reinstall your 10mm bolt. along with your 6 plastic push pins. Next, reinstall your radiator shroud. Make sure all your holes line up. After that, reinstall your 13 push pins. So you're gonna press up on the center, like that. I'm going to install them. Now that we're finished with this headlight install, let's close the hood and test all the headlight functions. DRL. Park aim.